Store half-used caulk tubes upright with tightly sealed nozzles to keep them usable for future projects. Choose storage methods that match the caulk chemistry and expected reuse interval. For short-term storage of days to weeks, wipe the nozzle clean, replace the cap if available, and store the tube standing nozzle up in a small container so any pressure pushes sealant away from the opening. For medium-term storage of weeks to a few months, push a length of rigid wire or a wooden skewer into the nozzle to block air, then wrap the entire tip in plastic wrap and a tight-fitting cap, or use a purpose-made tube saver that screws onto the nozzle. For long-term storage of months to a year, transfer remaining product into a smaller airtight cartridge or glass jar if the caulk is silicone-based and the manufacturer allows it, but only do this for stable chemistries and clean tools first to avoid contamination. Label every tube clearly with the type of caulk, color, and date opened so you can match product to future tasks and avoid compatibility mistakes. Keep all caulk in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and freezing temperatures because extreme heat can thin some formulations and freezing can ruin water-based products. Common mistakes are leaving the nozzle exposed, which lets air cure the sealant and makes the whole tube unusable. A quick fix is to insert a short section of rigid wire and cap the tip immediately after use. People also mix up different chemistries on a job by not labeling tubes. Write the product type and open date on the cartridge with a permanent marker so you know if it is paintable, flexible, or silicone. Storing tubes lying on their side often lets product settle into the nozzle and block it. Stand tubes upright and use tube savers or reuse the original cap to prevent that problem. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for the specific type of sealing or repair work they need, and it also helps contractors connect with nearby jobs related to caulking and finishing. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and pros share tips on storage hacks, product compatibility, and real-world results so our users can learn practical methods that save time and money.